Imagine this. Let's say 12 months from now, you are earning money while you are sleeping. Interesting, right? Yes, I know it's interesting. Without quitting your job. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build a side hustle that is evergreen and highly monetizable. We'll cover like 5 powerful phases, and on each phase we have well-packed information that can help you in this journey. So phase 1, spot your evergreen niche. Phase 2, validate that evergreen niche you spotted very fast. Phase 3, build a lean offer. Phase 4, create an evergreen marketing engine. Then phase 5, the last but not the least, scale and automate. Clap for me. I know you're already happy, right? Clap for me, clap for me, clap for me. Okay, stay with me to the end and you will leave with an action plan you can start tonight, like right now, immediately. And I'm promising you that if you follow everything I say in this video, you'll always continue to thank me for the rest of your life. You'll be like, that girl I watched on YouTube was the one that gave me the tips. So phase 1, spot your evergreen opportunity. What is evergreen? Evergreen means a market that never goes out of style. It's as simple as that. Something like health, money, relationship, career growth, pets, or timeless hobbies. Right now, I would like you to grab a notepad, list 3 problems people will still be looking for a solution for from now to the next 10 years to come. That's an evergreen niche. Just sit down. Okay, what will people keep searching for from now to the next 10 years? Example now, for instance, we have weight loss management, parenting toddlers. You know, it's not easy to parent a toddler. Managing debt. Why does all these things matter? Ask yourself, when you solve a problem that never expires, your hustle will never expire. That's why you will see 10 years YouTube video is still generating money for the owner, because people are still looking at those videos. People are still searching for it. Take like 30 minutes right now and jot down 3 ideas you would like to start immediately. 3 ideas from what I just said: parenting a toddler, weight management, health tips, how to stay away from debt. Phase 2, validate your evergreen niche very fast. Don't wait till tomorrow. Great ideas means nothing if no one pays for it. Let's prove demands quickly. Look for comments where people beg for solution. You're not just watching social media. There are some interesting posts that you just look under the post and you will see people asking questions. Just go and make a video on that thing. Next, run the $10 landing page test. Use a free tool like CAD or Notion to create a simple page offering a small guide or service for $10. Share it in relevant Facebook groups. Yes, Facebook, you think people are not seeing you. People are seeing you. Just go and make an attempt by posting something on Facebook. Then go to your insight and see how many people have seen that post, even though nobody reacted. Even if a stranger, only one stranger buys from you, you've got a proof that yes, people are actually looking for this thing. Even if it's just one person that bought that thing from you, you've got a proof that yes, people are actually looking for it. And if I consistently continue to create this thing, people are definitely coming to patronize me. Phase 3, build a lean offer. You cannot start business today and start saying no, your price is $1,000. It's not possible. People will not patronize you because you have not built trust yet. Don't overbuild. Your first product is a minimum valuable product. It's like you're test running. Yes. Then there are options now, like even Facebook. I notice now they have where you can put links for affiliate marketing. A digital product like ebook, template, or minimum cost. A service such as weekend coaching package, or a small freelancing DIG. Price it so it feels like it's not. It feels like a no banner. Your first sales are proof of concept, not perfection. You get it? Your first sales are proof of concept, not perfection. Then take a minute. to write down the simplest versions of your idea that you could launch in the next 7 days. Just take a moment, write them down. Okay, your ideas in the next 7 days. What are my ideas? And start immediately. Phase 4, Evergreen Marketing Engine. Your content is a 24/7 salesperson. Yes, your content keep rolling on the internet 24 hours, 7 days non-stop. One 10-minute video on YouTube can make you 3 different TikTok videos, 3 different Facebook videos, 3 different Instagram reels, and a blog post. Repurpose everywhere. Repurpose your video everywhere. Post now at least 3 evergreen video or blog ideas you have. Yes, you can post the video right now, write them down, and come back to the video. You get. Phase 5, scale and automate. Once you have sales, build systems so incomes can grow. Without more hours, automate follow-up emails that sells while you are asleep. Hire freelancers on Fiverr or Upwork for editing, design, and customer service for you. Yes, by that time you have hit the level whereby you can hire people to do the job for you. Then you add extra revenue streams. You have added extra revenue stream to your income. And you can also add extra revenue stream by adding your affiliate links, upsells, or a membership for recruiting incomes. You get? If you don't get it, forget about it. So, when you are doing this thing, put in your best. Be consistent. Don't say, okay, I will do it today. No, I will do it tomorrow. Imagine somebody starting a channel. Then you only post once in a week. You keep saying, no, I don't have time. Something that if you put on all your best, in the next 6 months, 1 year, you will be snoring. So let's have a recap of what we have been discussing since. First of all, I said we should choose our evergreen niche. And I told us what our evergreen niche is. Our evergreen niche is choose the niche and make videos on something that you know that from now to the next 10-20 years, people will still be looking for it. And I gave us examples like weight loss, parenting a toddler, clearing a debt. Then, after you have chosen your evergreen niche, validate very fast. Validate your niche very fast. Then build a lean offer. Let's say you are going into online book sales, online book marketing. Let your first book start with like $10, $5. Yes. Then with time, you increase your price. Create evergreen content. Do not relent. We are in a generation whereby ways to make money has become narrow for us. It's easier than before. Now you can see somebody in his 20s who is already a millionaire. Scale and automate your ideas and start putting them into practice immediately. I said immediately. So the best time to start was yesterday. But no, it's not too late. The next best time is now. You can start now, right now, at this spot. Pick one action tonight. Yes, I mean tonight. Even if it's just 15-minute brainstorming. Brainstorm your brain. Okay, what do I need to start now? Which niche should I start? You get? Then start these videos even if you don't have the gadgets. You can use sunlight, open your windows, let sun rays come in. Then you start. Your future self will thank you today. Your future self will thank you for this decision you have decided to take today. So start today. If this video have really helped you guys, please hit the subscribe button. Share this video with a friend. Comment below with the niche that you are starting so that we can cheer on. We can cheer you on. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.